Hi, it's the middle of September 2015. We're at the farm in Bersac, 308 hectares plus 20 hectares, 330 hectares of mixed farmland. About 180 hectares of arable. The rest is grassland. So this is one of the barley fields waiting to be worked. You can see the chateau in the distance, which is in the middle of the farm, and some of the farm buildings to one side. Okay. To the other side of the road, but also over there, you can see more arable land, which was in wheat last year. Basically we grow rapeseed, wheat, barley, maize, and that's it. Okay, the farm has two rivers running through it. Basically this is the one on the south side of the farm. We have grazing land for two herds on this river. We'll just walk a little bit and you can see. It's a famous trout fishing river, just for any of you that are interested in fishing. And then if we pan around, you will see the road leading up to the farm buildings, and on the other side we have grazing. Above that is more grazing, and if I pan back carefully and walk, this is a block for grazing and also hay. You can see that it's all fenced, and it has paths leading up to the yard. On the other side, well, you can see the chateau in the distance, and those are our first time calvers with calves in the grassland below the chateau. We'll now move up to the buildings. Just a quick view of the farm manager's house. I'll do internal buildings afterwards. The chateau in the distance and into the yard. So this building is a machinery storage, diesel storage, chemical storage, workshop, which we'll have a quick look inside. This is hay storage, and as you can see, the barley and the wheat seed has been delivered. Farm office. Okay. Just a workshop. So this is the yard with some of the equipment and silos or silage, and some of the sheds, and we'll go and see the sheds with some cattle in for sale, which are leaving in a couple of days. This is the top shed, and is exactly the same at the bottom. They're fattening sheds really, but we use them for winter housing. Okay, this is the second set of farm buildings and the farm. This is a gîte. It's well, it's not done to very high quality. I'd say it still needs a lot of improvement to bring it up to lettable standards. This is the Little Hunter's house. It goes with the hunting. We have obviously a hunting license for the farm. Unlimited number of wild boars, unlimited number of pheasants and partridges, and 6 deer. This is another shed. We do house cattle here in the winter. Usually it's the heifers that we're going to bring on to the following year. The buildings in the distance are not ours. The field you see in stubble is 17 hectares. down at the bottom where the tree line is where the other river is, and there are two herds, one on this side of the road, and they have approximately 30 hectares of grazing, and the same again here. I'll show you one more arable field which is around the back of the chateau. This is another piece of arable, again 18.5 hectares, besides the chateau. You can see the bit in the distance was where I started filming. The grass is all of ours, all the grass you can see there, pasture land, up until the buildings or the next village is all ours. You can see there are sort of pathways through the farm for cattle movements. Oh, another stone barn in good order. These are my girls.